Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to give you a quick update. It is the morning after Tropical Storm Nicole went through. We ended up staying home. All the hotels were full, but it actually turned out okay. Our power has been off and on sporadically this morning, so we have power and internet right now. I figured I'd go ahead and get a video out to you guys real quick and let you know that we're safe. It doesn't appear that we have any major property damage. We haven't been outside to look around yet. But we did pick up mail yesterday afternoon, and I wanted to show you guys what came in the mail. I won an item from Mom and Pop Quilt Shop a while back, and this is what I won. Hoping you can see all of that. Laura Lynn did free motion quilting on this, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to put some binding on it. I think that it's going to end up being like a sewing machine cover, at least in the off season, and maybe during Halloween I will use it as a wall hanging or something. But I want to be able to see it, and Laura Lynn signed it for me, so on the back it's got, you know, her trademark phrase, big hugs, which I really like, and she signed it in ink pen, so it's not going to get washed. I'm going to keep it just like it is. It's been touched by Laura Lynn, so I love it. And